Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we take an impromptu trip with friends to Austin, the capital of Texas. We show you around our room at the Hampton Inn, we have a bite to eat, and then we go bowling. Okay, so here we are in the Hampton Inn. This is the bathroom. Got plenty of room for your stuff, 3 shelves. Kind of like the shower because it's got these sliding doors. Comes with the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, which is good because I thought about bringing shower gel, but I forgot it. So this is room 611. There's an adjoining door if you have friends that you want to stay with. King size bed, TV, a couple of stools down there if you've got somebody coming over and they want to sit down. Got the refrigerator, a coffee maker. What's this? Oh, the ice bucket. Got anything in here? Oh, just some shelves. I guess you could put some clothes in there. The TV. Love this lounger. Nice desk. And then here's the view. Okay, we came to Austin Beer Garden Brewing Company. Here's the outside of the building. Let's go inside and see what it's like. It's coffee flavor, really good. So we went to Amy's for Amy's for ice cream. Got ice cream dripping off the roof there. Okay, wow, so I don't know if you can hear me, it's very loud. We came to Westgate Lanes here in Austin. None of us have bowled for a while, but we're gonna try it tonight. Well, that was fun. None of us had done that in many years, but we had a great time. Join us next week as we take a look around South Congress in the capital city of Texas. It's a touristy kind of area with shopping and restaurants. Bye now.